Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to save drawing in Ibispaint. Make sure to watch this video until the very end. To start, open your Ibispaint and then tap on My Gallery. And then choose any drawing that you would like to save. Now click the photo and you will see at the bottom right corner of your screen the three dots. Just click on that. And then you'll see these different options. Delete, duplicate, and save your photo. So what you're going to do is to choose the Save Photo JPEG. It is best and recommended to save your photo as JPEG. Now tap on Allow. The image is now saved. You can now see it to your gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.